I'm building this one small car garage CNC shop into a business that can hopefully one day support my family as we grow. And to do that, I had to solve one big problem. I have to make my setup time as efficient as possible because all of my time is limited. In a small shop, every job feels like starting from zero. You have to re-square parts, re-indicate, rebuild setups. And when you're running multiple products, that time adds up fast. I've tried just about every type of fixturing system, from threaded inserts and MDF to the T-track to easy straps and strap clamps. And what I found was the easiest was just screwing it to the MDF, which over time that just destroys the MDF, and I hated that because it always seemed like it was never as repeatable, especially for multi-parts. And I figured the only reason why the strap clamps weren't that great is because they pulled the inserts out of the MDF. And the T-track is just thin aluminum extrusion, so it doesn't hold up to a lot of clamping pressure. That lack in repeatability and rigidity in clamping is what made me think of this, which I call the GridPlate system. The major difference in this design is that it has a 3/8 inch sheet aluminum that is backing all of the threads. So that sheet is threaded, and that's what you're screwing into. So you're not pulling out your inserts out of your MDF all the time. And it adds a ton of stiffness and downward force. So you're not going to flex that fixture plate as easily as you would just a wooden top. And that gives you more constant Z height across your surface and your parts. But it still has the MDF, so you don't have to worry about ruining the aluminum fixture plate, because the MDF is the spoil board that the product is going to be cut on. And it also gives you the opportunity to surface it like you would any other spoil board, so that it matches your machine just the same. What this does is make setups more predictable, so you don't have to think of a new way to hold every size piece of stock. You can run batches and flip parts confidently and come back to jobs later without rebuilding everything. You really just start thinking about machining and not so much about how you're going to hold the parts. This system is one of the steps that I'm taking to build my small garage CNC shop into a business that will support my family full time. But this plate is just the foundation. I'm also designing modular toe clamps, corner systems, and fixture components that all work on the same grid pattern. The goal isn't just a plate, it's a complete work holding system. And if you're interested, I am selling the 12x24 grid plate now, links in the description. I'll be releasing the accessories piece by piece over the next couple of months and making YouTube videos producing them. If you want to follow the build out of the full grid plate system, subscribe and check the link below. This is just the beginning.